Hello YouTube, this is Alexander again. Today I have this IU Int 2900 soldering station, and I love very much this soldering station. This is one of my favorites with this bastard one. This one works with a special chip like that. Used a black tail with a steel like that, and this is a special chip for this kind of soldering station, and you need to not to confound with the T12 chip. T12 chip are this kind of chip, and it works with another handle like that, which is very nice for to make electronic too, because you have a very thin tip for special purpose and other stuff. So I very like to use this soldering station, which have a handle coming from the 90s, I think, because this handle, as you guess, is a GBC handle. This is not the handle provided with the soldering station, because I have a little nostalgia about this handle, and I love it very much. I had this original soldering iron for some several years, and when it's doesn't works anymore, I chose to work over the handle for to put IU system in that for choose this handle. Unfortunately, when I did that, it's in fact I use a cable which is not a genuine cable and not heat proof. As you can see, if I show you here, you can see it doesn't withstand the heat, and it's not very nice. It's not a nice thing to have this kind of cable on this very nice soldering iron, because all in this stuff are very nice except this cord. So what I have here is this kind of cable coming from a sensor from my work, and this cable have a special color which is designed for to support heat. And if I make some test with this soldering iron, I do exactly the same. It don't fear the heat, absolutely don't fear the heat. And if I check the original cable, as you can see, it can make lots of damage of this kind of cable. And so this one is soft but not so supple for to use, and this one is very flexible, very sweet, very soft. And what I want is to replace this old cable, black cable, which is not very good, by this one. And by chance you can find on the handle the same color than the cable, and I found it very nice. I try to do that. Most of cable are twinned here for just to enhance current through the chip, and this is nothing more than just this. All of this wire are not usable, just for to drive more current. No, not good. Okay, in fact, for this kind of soldering iron, I don't use the earth. I really think it's useless even for SMG components. I prefer to use it like that without ground, because sometimes when you are working on supplied circuit, it can give you a very terrifying issue. So I don't use the ground here. And so, okay, this is a new soldering wire, new soldering iron with a new cable. Just need to it is working. I think yes. Yes, it works. Yes, it's regulate. Oh, okay. And this new cable is very soft, very nice, and it doesn't fear the heat. Very nice, I love it. And this is the last cord. As you can see, this is not very bad, not very good, sorry. This is not a good cable, but this is the best wire for your soldering iron. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video for this little modification. Okay, this is the little electronic video for this evening. See you soon.